Let's walk through the notice period calculator. It tells you how many days of notice the Portuguese Labour Code requires when you resign or are dismissed, and what any missed notice costs in euros. First, your seniority at the company in full years. Let's enter 3 years. Then any extra months beyond the full years. We'll leave it at 0. Next, your monthly base pay, including seniority payments. Let's use 1,000 euros. And finally, how many days of notice you will actually serve. Let's say 30. Instantly, the calculator shows the notice the law requires, 60 days with more than 2 years of seniority, and prices the 30 missing days. 1,000 euros owed for leaving early. The breakdown below shows every step: the notice required, the days served, the days missing, and the daily pay behind the final figure. That's it. Switch the situation to a fixed-term contract or a dismissal, and everything updates live. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.